मतलब न्यू कंपनी है या कुछ है या
So I was working for Simply Learn, and they got us on a call, and they told that you will have to part ways. So I asked them all of a sudden, why is it, and why are you asking me to leave? So they said that it was performance issue. That this is what they said ideally first. So I said, if it was performance issue at the time of joining, I was told that you will put me on PIP, that is performance improvement plan. So why are you actually asking me to leave? So they said that you will have to part ways. I said, fine, since you have made a decision. This was by someone who was in the upper management, and he said you will have to part ways. So I said, fine. So the HR asked me to actually go ahead and resign. So I said that I will not resign since you are asking me to leave. But they said that if you are not doing it, we will get it done from the back end. This is what they said. And then she asked me if I was staying nearby to my office, which I purposely said no at that time. So she said, because if you do not go ahead and submit the laptop, we will not be able to go ahead and process your full and final settlement. Yes. So this is what happened. Then I checked with other people also in my company, and there were a lot of such people who were not on performance improvement plan or something, but they were also laid off without any warning, without any prior notice. So this is what happened.
How many people approximately?
So in my in my friend circle, what I had seen was there were 8 to 10 people, but then I got to know that there were 60 plus people for whom this had happened. They might have been in performance improvement plan or something, so I'm not very sure of the particular number, but this is inappropriate. So I was clearly aware that for 3 months they cannot actually go ahead and ask us to leave, but my company actually did, and also they have not given any particular written mail, or there was no written communication from the company. It was all on the Hangouts, and now I'm realizing that it was done very, very smartly. So, and also the company had this work from home policy that we cannot travel back home, and now we were in Bangalore, we abided by the company, and now all of a sudden they were asking us to leave. So this is what happened.
So they were allowed you to work from home?
Yes, they had allowed us to work from home, but we were not supposed to leave Bangalore when the flights were operating, because I had checked this with my manager if I could actually travel back home to my family and then work from there. So I was clearly told, no, you cannot.
So informally they are saying that you're
Yes.
not supposed to work for them.
Yes, and also all the access is blocked. Other people are still working and we are here stuck.